happy rainy Tuesday afternoon here from Island Owl Trucks. Sterling and I thought we should get out of the office where it's a little fresh air, a little refreshing weather out here, just a little shower. We're going to show you some great features about this 2014 Toyota Tacoma we just brought in. It is a one owner, no accidents, BC vehicle only. It's only got 61,345 give or take. It has the powerful 4-liter V6 engine. Let's see if I can remember how to open that. There we go. Nice and clean inside and out. As most people know, engines are pretty much just a plastic cover these days. But any of the services you need to get to on the side of the road are nice and clearly marked. Up front, we've got the nice wraparound headlights as well as fog lights, so it makes it for nice, safe driving on our beautiful BC weather conditions. On the side, we have our big slotted tires to give a lot of airflow, or sorry, slotted rims to give a lot of airflow to your brakes. Make sure that when you're towing your trailer, this truck is capable of towing up to 6,500 pounds, so the brakes will stay nice and cool. You've got your breakaway mirrors on both sides, so if you're in a tight spot or you're camping or somewhere, someone's driving the vehicle that isn't familiar with it, catch it on a branch, it's not going to tear off on you. This truck is equipped with running boards as well. It's got the vent visors as well as the matching bug deflector up front. This is a TRD Sport, which also has the leather package. You have power windows, power locks, which you're all accustomed to, fog light switch. It also has a 110 or a 120 volt, 100 watt or 400 watt inverter to plug into the back. I don't know if you've seen Brad Sefton drive around town with a Christmas tree in the back. That's how he's doing that. Inside you got Bluetooth controls, navigation, touch screen, heated seats, automatic transmission, backup camera, satellite radio. Every vehicle that's equipped with satellite radio comes with 3 months for free for buying here at Island Owl Trucks. The back seat, the back seat here, you can see has quite a bit of room for a mid-sized truck. Sterling was just sitting back there while we were getting ready for the video. He's about 5'10" and sat there quite comfortably.
Blonde hair, blue eyes.
Oh, geez. We've got the matching color canopy on the back with the sliding windows. If you got to keep your canine companions or pets back there, you get some airflow going. It is the high top Lear canopy. Really big back opening on here. That is a lockable canopy. You've got the pass-through window as well, so if you do have animals back here, you can have their heads poking into the cab. The previous owner equipped it with a bed mat as well. They are a composite box, so you don't have to worry about any rusting or anything like that on the inside here. This is where that inverter that I mentioned is located. In the tailgate, you also have your backup camera, and as I mentioned, you do have your tow package. Inside, the owner did have a trailer brake controller added, so you do have full 7-pin wiring for your bigger, heavier trailers, and once again, you are capable of towing up to 6,500 pounds with this truck. We'll close that up. And then back around this side, you can see the TRD Sport badging. It is a TRD Sport package, gives you a bit of upgraded suspension, has the fog lights. The customer that owned it before added the mud flaps, running boards, vent visors, and bug deflector in case you missed that the first time we were talking about it. And again, on this side here, pretty much the same as the driver's side, just no steering wheel. You can see it's got the rubber mats added all the way through. You got a USB port, auxiliary jack, all sorts of great features all throughout. Air conditioning, 4x4 on the fly, and that's pretty much it. So anyways, just wanted to mention that we've got this beautiful 2014 Tacoma down here. It's going to be yours for only $299 bi-weekly, only 61,500 and again, one owner, no accidents, beautiful BC vehicle. One of the most popular trucks in the North Island. We'd love to see you in it. Thanks so much.